President Trump says this time the Alien Enemies Act is being used to target Venezuela's Tren de Aragua gang, declaring that its members have, in his words, unlawfully infiltrated the country. But the move to invoke the law is already facing legal challenges and was temporarily blocked last week by a federal judge. The Trump administration is using a sweeping wartime authority to quickly deport some migrants whom the U.S. has accused of being affiliated with the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua. Professor David Super says there are specific instances when the Alien Enemies Act can be legally invoked.
The Alien Enemies Act says that when the United States is in a declared war with another country, that the president may order nationals of that country removed from this country.
President Trump's proclamation states that Tren de Aragua, which his administration designated as a foreign terrorist organization, is, quote, perpetrating, attempting, and threatening an invasion or predatory incursion against the territory of the United States. Also, that this is occurring directly and at the direction, clandestine or otherwise, of the Maduro regime in Venezuela. But this argument is being challenged.
We're not at war with Venezuela. We haven't declared war on them. They haven't declared war on us.
Trump has said he wants to use the Alien Enemies Act because he believes it gives him tremendous authority, mainly because detentions and deportations under the law do not need to go through immigration courts.
They simply round people up, put them on a plane, and send them to El Salvador to be locked away, perhaps forever, without giving them a hearing.
Some families are insisting their loved ones are not members of Tren de Aragua and should have never been deported. For now, the legal battle continues over use of this wartime law. A federal appeals court heard arguments over the Trump administration's request to lift the federal judge's temporary block this afternoon. Appeals court Judge Patricia Millett said her view isn't about the legality of President Trump invoking the Alien Enemies Act, but how it's being implemented. Millett also said that people deported from the U.S. under the declaration had no opportunity to challenge their removal or the government's allegation that they are members of a Venezuelan gang before planes took them out of the country on March 15th. She said, quote, that there were plane loads of people. There were no procedures in place to notify people. Nazis got better treatment under the Alien Enemies Act. For City News, I'm Ivan Rodriguez.